Hey guys, welcome back. If you are looking for a good case for iPhone 12 Pro Max, then you might have come across Spigen cases. In this video, I will compare Spigen Ultra Hybrid Crystal Clear case with Apple's official leather case. Then I will also tell you which one you should go for. Let's begin. When it comes to looks, if you like showing off Pacific Blue iPhone, then getting a transparent case would be an ideal choice. Having said that, Apple leather cases come with a wide range of colors, starting from classy blue to flashy red. I got a blue case here, which complements the blue iPhone 12 Pro Max really well. Both these cases will not provide as much of drop protection like big bulky cases do, but they are good enough to protect your phone from waist height casual drops. Both these cases have raised lip to protect the camera bump and the screen when you place your phone face down. However, I do recommend using a screen protector. Now, coming to the build quality, this is where things start to change. Apple leather case has a soft touch material on the inside, which will avoid scratches on the phone. On the other hand, I have seen people complaining Spigen Ultra Hybrid case scratching the sides of the phone when they are taking this case on and off. So if you are someone who is taking the case on and off more often, then get a leather case. I have also noticed pressing the power and volume keys in Spigen case is not comfortable. Apple leather case has aluminum keys which give a very good tactile feel when you press it and also feels premium. If you are expecting a good grip from a case, then hands down Spigen wins. This is how I make a grip test. As you can see, Spigen does not slide down that easily, and you have to be a little careful if you are using a leather case. The most obvious problem that we see in a transparent case is that they turn yellow, especially in the sides, over a period of time. On the other hand, leather cases give you a premium feel as they age and they can last up to 4 to 5 years. But you can also buy 5 Spigen Ultra Hybrid cases for the price of one Apple leather case. That is a decision you need to make. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.